We have to really make sure that the things that we look to doing, we do in a way that makes a difference to Colorado students. And if there are things, and looking at the scoring, that we can do, maybe they're legislative and we can do them at the end. I know there's been some bills that we've held off on until now to see what happens with Race to the Top. They may very well be introduced. They may be, debated and passed and signed into law by the time the next application is due, and that may help us. So we'll look at that and see if that makes a meaningful difference and if it's the right thing for the state.
We'll look at the comments and the score sheets and see what they tell us and what kind of changes we could make that would still fit with the Colorado spirit. But we also believe that there's a reason we were the only Western state, because we believe in pulling people together and reaching sort of a common vision of where we need to go forward. And we will be true to that spirit in the next phase of whatever the reform is.
I still say we have the right reform agenda for Colorado. I've had a number of conversations with superintendents this morning, and they still are strongly behind the reform that has been put together by this governor, this legislature, the State Board of Education, and certainly supported by the Lieutenant Governor and certainly myself. So with that, we are anxious to get the feedback and to have an opportunity to analyze and see how we want to put together round two. If the governor elects that, he wants us to submit that application.